Hey weekenders, we are here in Atlanta, Georgia at the Reverb Hard Rock Hotel and want to give you guys a room tour of this space. Want to let you know we are on a high floor king size room or king size bedroom. That is a separate category at this hotel because it gives you a better view of the city. So you do have to pay a little bit more for that, but let me show you around the space. All right, let's take a look at the room. So you come in to your left and you're gonna see the bathroom. It's pretty spacious. I'm kind of impressed. Got some storage down there, really bright mirror. Y'all take a look at this shower. Oh my God. How gorgeous is that shower? And you'll see that it does already have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in there for you. You've got a full-length mirror to the right of the door. You've got some hanging space, storage, but here's the cool part, wait for it. That's your fridge. All right. And you've got a coffee machine, some teas and coffees ready to go. You've got kind of a long countertop here. This is where your TV is. And if you'll notice, at the end of this counter, you've got kind of a charging station right there. You've got a little seat underneath it. You've got a couch in the corner. Now, as you guys will see, hopefully you can see that. We've got, sorry, the reflection's kind of bad, but we've got a view of Mercedes-Benz Stadium. We specifically picked this room, one, because it has a king bed, and two, because it was on a top floor. So we were gonna have a better view of the city. And I think some of you guys know, but we're season ticket holders to the Atlanta United soccer team, and they play in that stadium. So we thought that was a pretty cool view. Come this way, you will see your king size bed. You've got some reading lamps right next to it, but you've also got some chargers and USB ports right in here. That is on both sides of the bed. Come around this way and you've got a nice desk space, but then you've also got some accent lighting. You guys, this is a whiteboard. So I'm definitely gonna be drawing on that tonight. But that is your overall room tour. So I showed you guys there was a whiteboard in this room and I told you I was gonna draw on it. I'm gonna draw on it. I just wanna see how good it is, but they do provide you with an expo marker.
Hey, so one of the cool things in this hotel is it does have an Alexa in here, and it's supposed to be able to control your lighting, your temperature. You can even ask it to play music. So you can say, hey Alexa, play rock.
Rock Nation from iHeartRadio.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to work this light, which I think is very, very hard rock. This is very fitting of the room. So you've got some controls over here near the whiteboard that we just showed you guys. This top button is gonna turn it off and on. And then this bottom button is gonna change the colors. How cool is that? So you can set the mood, whatever color you feel like is speaking to your vibe for that day or your aura, whatever it is, you can change the colors. I kinda like this one.
Parking is not included in your resort stay. The only option we had was the overnight valet, so that cost us $43 for the night. Reverb does feature a rooftop bar that unfortunately was closed on the night we stayed. There was a nice bar with some quick service meals downstairs. I had a flatbread, Bree had this club sandwich. They were delicious. We always try to be honest with our reviews. While this hotel had some great potential, there were definitely some things lacking. There was a hole in the carpet in our room. There was a smell of marijuana. around the elevators and on our hallway. I definitely would warn you about this because the rates can get really high sometimes. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let us know, and enjoy your weekend. Bye.